Hello students, welcome to Caliber Convent School e-Digital Learning channel. Today we will study the first chapter, that is sets of standard 9 part 1. So students, here in this chapter 4 exercises are there. So in part 1 we will do 2 exercises and in part 2 we will do remaining 2 exercises. So what is sets? Sets is nothing but it is called a group of something or a bunch of something. For an example, we can see a days of week, month of the year, vowels. This is nothing but this is a group of something, or we can call it as sets. For example, if you are solving the first sum, that is days of the week. So while writing A, here we have to mention Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday inside this curly bracket. And if our sum is equal, then we will use this sign, and if it is not equal, we will use this sign. So students, you can see in practice set first, that is your practice set 1.1. In that sum, write the following sets in roster form. So here, what you all have to do while writing it in roster form. Your number first sum is sets of even number. So here what you have to do, you just have to write A, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. This dot will denote as so on. Second, you have to write the fourth one, 7 basic sounds of sa, re, ga, ma, sur. So here you will write sa, re, ga, ma and continue. In this way you will solve the sum. In your second sum, what you have to do, you just have to write the statements in words, that is 4 upon 3 is equal to Q. Here you will write 4 upon 3 is the member of set Q. In this way you will write. If it is equal, in the second sum, minus 2 is not equal to n. So here you will write minus 2 is not the member of given set. In this way you will have to solve. And third, fourth, fifth also, that you have to write it in listing method and you have to write the numbering form. In the second exercise, that is exercise 1.2, you just have to write that whether the sets is equal or not. So how you will find out the sets is equal or not? As I told you before, that is this the way to finding out the sets that is equal or not, that is A x bar 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. So students, here you can see that 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and this is x donated to this. So here you will write that. So here students, you have to write that this set is equal or not. In your second sum, decide whether set A and B is equal or not and give the reason. Your set A is of even prime number and your set B is of 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. So in this way, you just have to justify that whether they both set is equal or they both set is unequal, and you have to mention the reason also.